Hello friends, my name is Jafar Abbas and today I am back again with another new video. In today's video, we are going to create a Facebook post or Instagram post related to Mother's Day. In fact, we are going to create two posts for Mother's Day because we all know how important mothers are and they are the role models for the child. So I'm going to create the post on Canva. So do not move and stay here, but before starting the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications so that you get the notifications of my all future videos. So let's start now. So first of all, let's open the Canva. I'm using the pro version and you can also use the free version. There are lots of templates which can be used in the free versions also. So now let's open the Instagram post. I'm taking the size of portrait and my size in pixel is 1080 to 1350. Let's open it. Now what I'm trying to do here is to create a simple post related to Mother's Day. So let's have a color. I want to have this light color for the background. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going in this element section and I'm going to have some frames. So I need frames.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
I want to have some square frames. Let's click on this frames section. So let's find a good frame for the design. I'm taking this one. I just want to zoom a bit. Now I'm going to place this frame here and I'm going to change the color. First of all, let's reduce the size a bit. Now I'm taking the copy of it. To take a copy, you need to press Ctrl D. It will create a duplicate. So let's take a duplicate. Now I have taken 3 copies of it. Now I want to have few rectangle frames.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Now let's drag this one.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Now I'm going to write the text, and as I mentioned, this post is related to Mother's Day, so I'm going to write it here, Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time
I'm going to place the text here and I'm going to change the font. I'm going to take this OVO font. Let's reduce the size.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Let's find something else which is related to Mother's Day as well. So I'm going to this element section. Let's hope to find something which is good and which goes with my design.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way?
I think this thing will look nice. I'm going to place it here.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Now let's find some good pictures of mothers and child. I'm going to select and drag them to the frames. This is a very simple post related to Mother's Day.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you
I just want to make it simple.
never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Now I want to add an outline over these pictures. So for that I'm going to create a rectangle. Press R to create a rectangle. Now I'm going to place it on top of these pics. This is optional. If you don't like, you can always skip the steps. So I'm going to select the outline. I'm going to create the outline.
As you fade away,
Let's create the outline for other frames.
as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look.
So that's it. This is post number 1 and this is completed. This is very simple yet very elegant looking post, and it's related to Mother's Day, and anything which is related to mothers is always a special one. So now let's create our second post. I'm going to add a new page. Now what I'm going to do here is to change the background color to white. Now I want to have something for the new post. So let's first have this paint splash. I'm going to take this paint splash, just drag it a bit. I'm going to spreading it. Now I'm going to change the color. I want this pink color. Now I am going to reduce the transparency a little bit. Now let's find a text. I'm going to write here Happy Mother's Day.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what.
Just put it here. I'm going to change the font to this oval. I'm going to increase the size. Now I want to find something which relates to Mother's Day. So I'm going to this element section and I'm going to find something good for my post. Let's hope we find something. Oh, this will look nice. I'm going to place it here. Let's increase the size. And this will also look nice with it. Just place it here. I'm going to set it backwards. What else I have? Now find what else I get. I think this will also look nice. Just place it here. And let's bring this thing. These are, I'm going to put it here. I'm going to reduce the size a bit. That is good. Now I'm going to find heart. I like this one. I'm going to put it here. And
I know you told your friend you're
I like this one also.
not okay.
Just put it here.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt
Now I want to have. Now I want to add some flowers. So let's find some flowers.
that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake us.
I think I should have this one. I'm going to put it here.
Until I look away. But I've known you too
Let's drag this one also and place it here.
long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade.
Yet again, it's a very simple design, simple looking design, and I'm not going to enter the images on it. I'm just using the graphics. So I want to increase a tagline in this post. So let's bring the tagline. So I'm going to place the tagline here. So this is it. This is completed. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any question or query related to the video or related to Canva, you can post in the comment section and I'm going to reply you back. And do practice a lot, and remember, practice makes you perfect. So keep honoring your skills and explore the new possibilities, and believe me, you are capable of some great things. So before leaving, don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on the notifications so that you may never miss a video that I post in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.